let's check this rainbow shot by iHeartRevolution. Hey you guys! As you've seen from the title of this video, we're gonna be doing hair. I'm a bit excited and a bit scared that it might go wrong. So I got this online by the way. So I took this iHeartRevolution Rainbow Shots Color Shampoo and Conditioner in one in the color Lilac Dreams. So this should last 1 to 3 washes and it's vegan and cruelty free, which is what we like. I'm gonna do a proper review of this by the way, so I'm gonna dye my hair with this, following instructions what they say. It says that it lasts up to 1 or 3 washes, which is what I want, because if it goes wrong, you know, I want it to be able to wash it off. So I'm gonna let you know, I'm gonna update you through the time how it washes off. So without any further ado, let's see what we have. The instruction says apply to clean damp hair in the shower. Well, I'm not gonna do it in the shower because I'm gonna do it in front of you. As a guide, use as much as you would for a regular shampoo. Leave on for up to 10 minutes for more intense color. So what I like about it is more like a shampoo, and iHeartRevolution had like a 3 different, I think, ways of dyeing your hair. So this one was like a lightest, but I thought I'm gonna go for a lightest and see how it goes, how it looks on me, and if I like, then go for a stronger option, you know, just playing safe. Oh, it smells like a shampoo. It doesn't smell like a hair dye at all, you guys. It smells lovely. It smells like a super fresh spa kinda-ish smell. You know what? I think, because my hair is not that clean and it says the best is to apply on clean damp hair. So you know what? I think I'm gonna quickly go, jump to a shower, wash my hair, and then come back to you with that damp hair, and then we can apply this on and see. Let's do that. And I'm back, guys. I literally had a full-on shower. If my face looks red, it's because of the shower, because I have rosacea and the heat kind of simulates that. Alright, so without any further ado, let's check this Rainbow Shots by iHeartRevolution. It says to use on a damp hair, just as a regular shampoo, and hold 5 to 10 minutes, so let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna maybe put the towel around my shoulders, just in case we're gonna have any like droplets. Ready, guys? Look at this color. That's how much you would use normally for shampoo. Like, that's a measure. Yeah, I think so. My hair is quite long, so we'll see if we will need more. I'm just gonna massage it in. I think I'll need more than that because it doesn't feel like it covers anything, like it's literally in one spot. Let's try and put hair like this and maybe apply a bit more. Guys, ready? I think I massaged it all in already. What do you think? I'm just gonna leave it like this for 5 to 10 minutes, like they say, and you know, we shall see. Okay, my hair, I don't see any color, you guys. I think it's failure. Like, I had it now for 9 minutes. Like, look at that. It still looks pretty much blonde to me. I'm gonna wash my hair and dry it off, blow dry it off, and we shall see. So I washed and blow dried my hair. For me, it doesn't look lilac any way whatsoever. I mean, I'll turn around so you guys can see. Does it look lilac to you? It doesn't to me. So I'm a bit disappointed because of that, because it doesn't look lilac. It looks more like I use a silver shampoo, that's all. I think it's a failure. What do you guys think? I mean, it looks nice. I'm not, you know, against that or anything. I'm not disappointed with that. It just looks like I use silver shampoo, in my opinion, because my hair doesn't look as brassy, it looks more cool toned, so I like that part, and it washes off just like a silver shampoo would be. So for that reason, I really like it. So I think I might swap my normal silver shampoo for this one. So you know, it's a win from that side, because I can use instead of silver shampoo. It smells amazing and my hair feels so nice and like so soft. But as a coloring shampoo, thumbs down for sure. It's a failure. Like, I love Revolution as a brand, but this is, for me, is just a failure. Like, doesn't look lilac in any way. Like, I have little strands of a shade going on where I think there's more of a shampoo stuck on. This part in here has a bit more of a lilac-y color. It's just because more of a shampoo was stuck on it because it was ends. But other than that, I don't really... Like, I was expecting my whole hair to look like this. So I'm gonna be using this coloring shampoo as a silver shampoo from now on. If you guys want me to try a Revolution proper hair dye, leave a comment down below and let me know, because I'm kind of curious if that would work or would be, you know, just like this. But then that one is proper dye, so it should work, right? And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel, and I shall see you very, very soon. Oh, by the way, I was saying I'm gonna do like a progress to see how it's gonna wash off, but then there's not really point to do a progress video, you know, because really much color, so for that reason I want. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and bye. I'll see you soon, guys.